Holy shit. Yeah, I beat it. What the fuck? That was so quick. Oh, that was so fast. What the fuck? What did we say? How many attempts? Oh my god, 6,846?
That does not seem that quick.
No, that is pretty quick. Like, for an extreme demon, this is technically my hardest. 8 hours and 30 minutes. I mean, I think for the other one, probably the reason why is because, like, I don't know, I took, like, a big break in between playing it. I don't know. That's crazy.